national elections
during the 2025
and Barm parliamentary election.
Barm election.
As we stand together
As we stand together
from across all the regions,
across the region,
sectors and communities,
sectors and community,
we commit in solidarity
we commit solidarity
with fellow Filipinos
with fellow Filipinos
to ensure
secure,
accurate, free, and fair elections
fair election,
by promoting peace and order,
promoting peace and order,
upholding the rule of law,
holding the rule of law,
fostering unity and civic responsibility, in protecting the right to vote
and protecting the right to vote
of every Filipino,
of every Filipino,
thus rejecting all forms of hate and misinformation that could undermine the unity
undermine the
and
unity
harmony of our nation.
and harmony of our nation.
With this pledge,
This is pledge.
we reaffirm our shared objective
Reaffirm our shared objective.
of a peaceful, just, and democratic
Peaceful and just democratic
Philippines, where every Filipino,
Philippines for every Filipino
regardless of creed and culture,
is
is empowered to make each voice
hard
heard through the election process. Together,
together.
we shall rise in solidarity
We shall rise in solidarity
to ensure that the 2025 elections
to ensure that the 2025 elections
shall be a reflection
shall be a reflection
of our democratic values
of our democratic values
and a testament